Alright, so here we have the Super Silky Jumbo Braid in 60, which is white. It says, let me get this angle correct. So it says antibacterial braid, which I'm assuming means it doesn't need to be soaked. And it also says do not set on fire, which hopefully means that you don't use fire and not that you can't use hot water, because I need to be able to do that, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so it's antibacterial, which I'm assuming means it doesn't need to be rinsed with apple cider vinegar, but I feel like I just need to test it. I just need to be sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a test to see if anything comes up in the water, because if this does have a coating on it, then I'll see it, because I've soaked hair before and I've seen the little murkiness come up. So I'm just gonna do that. I have the apple cider vinegar here. I actually used the last of it, so if this really does need to be soaked, then I need to get some more immediately. Okay, so I did a horrible thing, which is that not only did I not have nearly enough mixture for just one pack of hair, but there is some icky, gross stuff that I'm guessing is the mother, and it's now in the hair, in the white hair. It's probably fine because I'll just, I need to rinse it anyway, but it just scares me. Good news is though, I don't see anything in the mixture. Like, it looks clear. I guess I'll wait the 15 minutes though to see if anything comes up.
Like 350. 350. For egg roll? I don't know. Well, hold on. This is right there. Huh? You'll do this. What? I'll try my foot. And then. She won't sit down right now. Yeah. She can come in there. Yeah, she can come on right in my hand. We got my look, please. 165. It's going to be 65 though. And don't worry about regular glue. We have all the glue for it. And what you want ready?
Thank you. I'm gonna braid my hair.
Oh, how you gonna braid your hair?
Huh?
How you gonna braid your hair?
Not in here.
The trash can. You braid some in your rock? No, I'm gonna braid yours. I just lost it. I'm like, I'm gonna come up here and see when you'll be here too. That's not all. What day you gonna be here? It is. See that. Which one?
I won't be here next week.
Oh,
yeah. But you can follow me on Instagram. I'll be here the week after that, so I'll still have them in.
Okay. When you gonna do it?
This weekend.
What are you gonna do?
Huh?
What are you gonna do?
Knotless. Medium or small.
White hair? All of them be white.
All right. Yeah.
No.
I saw Venus
You don't
Williams.
look like a unicorn.
Yeah. I saw Venus Williams with some white hair, and I was like, I gotta do it.
What you gonna do?
Not
All right.
hair.
You wanna tuck your hair or you wanna tuck your hair?
I have to tuck it at the end because it's so blunt. But
That's cute.
yeah.
I wanna see that.
You can follow me on Instagram.
That's why I'm over here to pay you your money. How much you say? 350?
3 or 350. I don't know. It was Christina got 2 and her change was like 5 something. Yeah. 253.
You should cash up.
Tara Michelle B.
Beater braid. Yeah, straight back. Oh, you want the real? You want to add hair or just your real hair? Add hair.
Bonner, last name?
Jesus. Let me make sure.
Thank you.
What you gonna do right now?
Thank you. Can I get the cat?
You want to do some straight back feeder?
Sure.
And they just straight back. Okay. All right, you can take care of this, please. But you got to go you need to wash too. Now, we'll first get clean bean here for straight back. Whatever color you want, we got different colors, different varieties. Okay. All right. Girls, I'm trying to make y'all some money now.
Thank you.
So, I went to the store and I got some things because I needed some supplies for work. So, I went to Sally's and I needed some new shears. So, I got these. I don't really know. You know, there were some blue ones and I love blue, but it was like not. It didn't look, it just didn't look professional. So I got the gold ones with the pink, and these are them. They don't look very sharp, they're like curved on the top, but they sound sharp, so. Okay, so that's exciting. Yay! New shears, because my other ones, apparently you're not supposed to put them in barbicide, and I've been doing that and I've noticed that they got dull really quickly. So it says there are removable finger rings. I don't know what that means. What is this also? Like, do you twist it? I just don't know what is going on here. Oh, you can just pop them out. Now that looks more professional. I do like it without the pink. Yeah, this is comfortable. I like it. Now what do I do with this little pink knob? Great. Now I've got some rose gold shears. They're so cute, like. So these were like $46 with tax. So, you know, that's like medium. I don't think I would pay more than $100. And that's if I become a barber, which I do want to become a barber, but at the same time, I don't, you know, there aren't any programs near me right now that are not full-time, and it's like 5 days a week. I wouldn't be able to do that and work at the same time, so I may not be a barber anytime soon. So I figured these, you know, medium good shears are good enough, because I don't, you know, the only thing I cut is like braids to clean them up, and like when I do crochets I'll shape it. That's like maybe once a week, maybe, you know. So love these. I will let you know how good they are. After I went to Sally's, I went to the dollar store because I was like, I need more plastic containers for like shampoo and conditioner and stuff. And I couldn't find it, right? But what I did find is these reusable containers, which even better because I can, you know, just pop them in the bar beside, use them again. And these are also good for like sauce if I ever need to bring like hot sauce or ketchup or anything like that to work. So awesome. And of course they were $1. And then also I got these edge controls because everyone wants their edges done, and my braiding knife is just not the same as edge control. I try to use it like it is, but it's not. So, and my boss sells these for $3. She's like, $3 is such a good price. I got these at the dollar store, okay, and I got 3. So $3 for 3 instead of $3 for 1, saving money. So I will be bringing these to work next time I go, which is on Monday, which is my last day before vacation. Oh my god. It's fine. Everything's fine.